Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already have the basics: Python, Node, browser. Now start by choosing whether you want in-browser Python, Brython, or Pyodide, or Python-generated frontend via templates or an API. Create a project folder, activate a virtualenv, and add index. HTML. Next, install the transpiler library or a lightweight web framework like Flask. Once done, wire the HTML entry. Include the transpiler script for client-side, or create an API endpoint for server end. You will now implement the middle steps: build components and connect data. If using Pyodide or Brython, write Python modules that query the DOM, attach event listeners, and update UI state, load them asynchronously, and manage dependencies. If using Flask or Fast API, build endpoints returning JSON and use fetch on the front end to hydrate templates with Jinya 2. Make sure to structure code into modules, handle async calls cleanly, and test interactions in the browser as you iterate. You're in the finishing phase. Optimize and secure the integration. Minify and lazy load Python to JS bundles or static assets, set proper caching headers, and add simple authentication where needed. Then test on multiple browsers and devices, measuring render time and memory. Once done, deploy with a static host plus API or a WSGI server. If something breaks, first open DevTools, inspect console errors, verify CORS policies, and ensure correct MIME types for transpiler scripts. Those are the most common blockers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.